So this is a fun worksheet, just a little bit of a review with scientific notation. Notice we have standard notation on the left here and scientific notation on the right. And so what I'm going to have you do is just connect lines from the numbers in standard form that match up with scientific. So in Google Sheets, you're going to go up to here, Insert. See where that is? Insert, and you're going to insert a line. So let's go ahead and pick this line. And I'm going to connect 7,000. Now notice this 7,000 has these 3 zeros here. So that's going to connect to 7 times 10 to the power of 3. And that's this one over here. And then I'd like you, just so that it shows up, it pops a little, and it's kind of fun. You can choose different colors, but I'm going to go to this pen right here. Notice how it says line color. And I click on that, and I'm going to pick red. So you can see it pretty good. Now, I'm going to show you this too, because right now it's really small. Let's go over to this plus sign, and we're going to zoom in, and I'm going to zoom to 200%. And I think that you probably should do the same. It'll be easier to work with this document like that. So see how I've connected 7,000 to 7 times 10 to the power of 3. So let's go down to one of these negative exponents. Or actually, let's solve the puzzle first. So down here, see how this crosses? The 7 and the E are crossed out. So I made a text box down here. So all you have to do is, let's click off the zoom, is to click down here on that number 7 is where you're going to put the E. So I'm going to go into here, and the text box opens up, and I'm going to put the letter E in there on the 7. So as you solve this, go down here and stick letters in here. So let's look at one of these numbers that's less than 1 to a negative power. And again, I'm going to insert a line. My zoom went off. This is a little tricky to work with. Insert line. You'll probably be better at this than me. And I'm going to connect down here. Look at this one. 0.000007. And that decimal has to come in front of that 7. So that's how many places? That's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places. I do that line already. I'm going to have to redo that. So this one's going to go times 10 to the minus 6. And I see it here. And I go back up here to my line color. Choose red. Now notice what letters it went through. They didn't go through any of them. What does that mean? It means I made a mistake. So when I was inserting my line, I dropped down here into a different one. It was this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that line was supposed to be over here. We'll just fix it. It's kind of nice because then you know if you did this right, right? So here it is, across the 6 and the S. So I'm going to go down again in the puzzle to the 6 and know that that's going to have to be the letter S. Alright, so there's the idea. This will just get you some good practice with remembering how to go from standard form into scientific notation. Alright, I hope you have fun with this. See you tomorrow.